In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an authorized user on a Bank of America credit card. This process can be a real game changer for managing your family or business expenses, offering additional convenience and possibly even helping to build someone else's credit. So let's dive right in and walk through each step together. First things first, open your internet browser of choice and head over to the Bank of America online banking website, which is bankofamerica.com. This is your portal to all the features and services Bank of America offers right at your fingertips. Once you're there, it's time to sign in. You'll need your online ID and passcode handy, as these details are essential for accessing your credit card account. Make sure all these details match those linked to your credit card to ensure a smooth sign-in process. After you've successfully logged into your account, you'll be greeted with your account's overview page. Here you will see all your accounts at a glance. What you want to do next is locate the specific credit card account to which you want to add the authorized user. This step is crucial as it directs all subsequent actions to the correct account. Once you've selected the right credit card account, the next place you'll be heading is the Information and Services tab. You can usually find this near the top navigation menu of your credit card's page. Clicking on this will offer you a variety of options related to managing your credit card account. Now, you're getting to the heart of the matter. Under the Services section, you'll find an option that says Add an Authorized User. Click on this, and you're one step closer to granting someone else access to your credit card for additional flexibility. With that click, you're now ready to enter some important information. The system will prompt you to fill out the authorized user's full name, date of birth, and social security number, assuming that's required. Although this part may seem a bit detailed, accurate information is crucial to ensuring the request is processed seamlessly. Take a moment to carefully review all the details you've entered. This quick check is a good practice to avoid common errors that could delay your request. Once everything looks good to you, go ahead and submit your request. And just like that, you've completed the process to add an authorized user to your Bank of America credit card. Remember, this not only provides additional convenience and flexibility, but also could help the authorized user build credit history, which is a beneficial support for their financial future. If you have any questions or run into difficulties, don't hesitate to reach out to Bank of America's customer service for assistance. Thanks for watching, and happy banking!